and seek with Brianne part 2. I'm hiding from Brianne. Brianne! Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Brianne, downstairs, hiding. Maybe I have to find somewhere easier for her to find her. Brianne, you found me. Yeah, I did. That was easy. I was hiding downstairs and you found me. You're good at hide and seek, Brianne. Yeah, I am. Okay, now I need to come find you. Actually, no. Can you find me? Actually, you just want to lay in bed for a little bit. I want this to be a long video, so I guess you're not going to be in the video, Brianne. Look at me. See, this bed is not ready yet. This is a bed right now. It's all these weird pants on there and everything. All of millions, not much stuff. Here's these doors. Oh, I would never saw anything in the bathroom. So the bathroom is where I flush the toilet. This is the closet. It's cold in there. Look at this one. Is it cold? This is empty. Wonder why we have this closet then. It's where Brianne was when we were making the video. She's like, we had cookie dough ice cream today. Cookie dough ice cream is so yummy. You should try it. Cookie dough ice cream is at Walmart, I think. That's where she was. That's her pause. I'll pause her right here. That's me recording. I'm recording, and I'm recording Brianne. I'm recording the TV. Look, I'm recording. Well, I'm recording. I'm recording the video I was recording. So that's a new video. Why did it say 5 seconds and like millions of minutes, and it still said 5 seconds?
I don't know.
It was broken probably. It's longer than 5 seconds. Maybe. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Granny.
Hi, Granny.
To try to get him.
Bold. But that. Watch some TV. Watch him kindly can. channel called Kindly Can. If you want to search that up. Where is Kindly Can, anyways? Oh, here it is, right there, Kindly Can. What one should I do? I'm gonna do Granny. I'll do a Granny 2 one.
Granny and Grandpa join forces for Granny Chapter 2.
There.
Holy.
Here, so you can watch them too.
Hello, everybody.
Here, let me read.
To Granny Chapter 2. Also
That can't go Granny Chapter 2. If you want to do Granny Chapter 1, you have to search up Granny.
the original Granny.
That's Grandpa.
Yay.
See if you can see it.
I have no idea what to expect here, but I am excited to
You probably can't see it.
Granny game. Let's play. As you can see, we have the option to have only Granny, only Grandpa, or both.
I can't.